Sugar is a natural sweetener composed of sucrose crystals obtained from sugar cane or sugar beet. Currently, 16 million tons of sugar are consumed each year. Producing such quantities of this delicious flavor is no simple task, but have you ever wondered how sugar is made? We visited a sugar factory to discover how cane sugar is produced. 80% of the world's sugar comes from sugar cane. Sugar cane is grown in tropical climates like Brazil, as well as in some parts of the U.S. such as Florida, Louisiana, and Texas. Sunny weather is ideal for sugar cane cultivation, a type of plant grown in fields of up to 350,000 square meters. Sugar is produced in the leaves of the sugar cane plant through photosynthesis and stored as sweet juice in the stems of the sugar cane plant. Once fully grown, it's harvested and transported to a sugar factory for processing. A regular lawnmower isn't sufficient for this scale of work. Luckily, they have the most efficient machines on the market. A versatile harvester picks the harvest. Its rotating blades mow and chop the 3-meter-tall canes while blowing away the leaves back onto the field. The harvester removes the upper green leaves of the plants. The robust sugar cane is pushed forward by the bottom roller and cut above the roots by 2 large cutters. The stems are fed into the casing and cut into 20-centimeter lengths, while the leaves are separated by 2 blowers. The machine harvests 60,000 square meters of sugarcane in a day, clearing the field for the next harvest and providing free food for local wildlife. However, workers face the challenge of hurricane season. Strong winds can destroy the harvest overnight. Before finishing their workday, they must sharpen the blades and harvest as much sugarcane as possible. The machine passes over the crops and deposits the sugarcane pieces into an attached trailer. Each sugar mill collects 3 million tons of sugarcane per year. Mechanized trucks load the harvested sugarcane and transport it to factories for transformation into sugar. The trucks bring 23,000 kilograms of sugarcane to the factory daily. The American Sugar and Fining Group, whose brands include Domino Sugar, is based in South Florida. The Director of Research and Development oversees the transformation of sugarcane into pure white sugar. The effort required to make over 1 million 2-kilogram sugar bags daily is often not fully appreciated. The process starts by emptying the trucks onto a large conveyor belt. The issue is that sucrose is concentrated inside the sugarcane stalks. The first phase involves chopping the sugarcane into small pieces, about 15 centimeters long, before passing them through a series of choppers that move the sugary solution. A sugar mill has more moving pots than most industrial facilities. As the choppers move the sugarcane, water is pumped in to extract maximum sucrose. The resulting mixture is rich in sucrose, but contains remnants of rock and mud. To remove impurities, the solution is filtered in a clarifier. Here, the temperature of the mixture is raised so that residues float to the surface and blades can sweep them away. Enzymes and microorganisms are eliminated through heating at 110 degrees Celsius. The next challenge is to turn the purifying syrup into sugar crystals. Excess water is evaporated and the concentrated liquid is pumped into a crystallization chamber. Small sugar seeds are added and the sucrose solution adheres to them to create sugar crystals. However, these sugar crystals are mixed with molasses, a product that gives brown sugar and rum their color. To separate the two products, the sticky solution undergoes centrifugation. At 1,200 revolutions per minute, it's like a giant washing machine. The centrifuge filters the liquid through small holes in its drum, where the larger crystals get trapped. Molasses is pumped into 11.4 million-liter tanks for storage. To store all this sugar, large warehouses are needed. 2 warehouses with capacities of 160 and 3,000 tons of sugar respectively produce 40% of the total refined sugar in the U.S. Once raw sugar is cleaned and clarified, the final product is ready. 20% of the factory's production corresponds to brown sugar. They produce sugar for any type of use, whether industrial, domestic, for sale, or for restaurants. Sugar is packed into sachets for hotels and restaurants. An ingenious device fills 2,500 sachets per minute without spilling a grain. Once in boxes, they're vigorously massaged to properly arrange them. Finally, a robotic arm stacks the sugar into bindles of 56 boxes. An automated machine seals the bindles with cellophane, ready to travel the world.